It's exhausting being a dad, each the size of a coconut and 30 times the weight of a chicken egg. He's tended them 16 hours a day for 5 weeks. But the world's biggest bird needs a lot of food. Finding 5 pounds of plants a day is easy here. But raising a family in a land of giants is a huge challenge. Still, he must watch out for danger. With the largest eyes of any bird. Unfortunately, they're bigger than his brain, and he's easily distracted. But lose focus for a moment, and you could lose it all. The poor ostrich will have to start again, and he's running out of time before the breeding season ends.